Good morning, welcome. In today's video session, we will understand about the difference between capital market and money market. So, we will cover this concept today in detail. Before understanding the difference between these two markets, we need to have a look at the structure of financial market because both of these market are the part of financial market. So, here is a picture. It starts with the financial market. Financial market is a market where all kinds of financial instruments are traded. Means individuals, corporate sectors, government can fulfill their financial requirements from this market. And the instruments includes shares, bonds, commercial papers means CP, certificate of deposits means CDs, call money, treasury bills and etc. So this financial market includes two types of market. The first is capital market. Capital market is a market which deals in the long term financing, means long term financial requirements can be fulfilled from the capital market, and the regulation and the control of capital market is done by the SEBI. SEBI is the Stock Exchange Board of India, which is the governing authority for the capital market. The another part of financial market is the money market. Money market deals in the short term financial requirements, and this market is governed by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So capital market is under the control of SEBI and the money market is under the control of RBI. Here we can see that the capital market has its two parts. The one is primary market and the second is secondary market. Primary market is a market which deals in the new issue of securities, right? So if whenever we talk about the IPO, initial public offer, that means we are talking about the primary market, because in the primary market initial issue of the securities and shares is done. And the secondary market is a market where trading in existing securities takes place. Means in secondary market there are so many number of buyers and sellers of shares, bonds, which deals in the buyings and sellings of these financial securities. So in short, secondary market deals or trades in the existing securities. First time issue of security is done in the primary market, and with the help of secondary market we can continuously buy and sell those securities. So thus it also maintains liquidity in the market. So now after having a look at the picture, we will continue about the discussing for the difference between capital market and money market. Here we start with the first difference, that is term of funds, means duration of funds. Capital market provides funds for long term investment, and with the long term we are talking about the more than 1 year, right? So capital market provides funds for long term investment purpose, and money market provides funds for short term investment purpose. For short term means we are talking about the 1 year or less than 1 year. Now the second difference is the objective. The objective of capital market is the mobilization and effective utilization of financial resources. Whereas if we talk about the money market, then the objective of money market is facilitating liquidity in the money market, because the term of funds is less than 1 year, right? So thus it is very related with the liquidity. So the objective of money market is to facilitate liquidity in the market. The third base of difference is purpose of use. Funds provided by the capital market are used for both purposes, for the fixed capital and for the working capital also. Fixed capital is for the long term investments, for the long term purpose, and working capital is to meet the daily requirements of the company, right? And the purpose of capital market funds can be used for both of these purpose, for to fulfill the fixed capital requirement and also for fulfilling the working capital requirements. But if we talk about the purpose of money market, then the funds provided by the money market are used for the working capital only. Means company with the help of the funds taken from the money market can fulfill their working capital requirements. because in money market dealings are done for the very short term periods, and funds are also provided for the short term duration. And whenever we talk about the working capital, it means we are talking about to meet up the daily requirements, daily financing requirements, right? So that is very liquid form in the nature. So thus the purpose of money market is uh, that to fulfill the working capital requirements of enterprises. Here we have our next base of difference between these two markets, and this is underwriting. Underwriting is a primary function of capital market, whereas if we talk about the money market, then underwriting becomes a secondary function of money market. See, when a company conducts an IPO, an initial public offer, then it has to fulfill the minimum subscription of shares limitation of the SEBI, which is 90% of minimum subscription is required for a successful IPO. So, for this purpose, to reduce the risk or to fulfill the guideline of minimum subscription limit, companies mostly does underwriting of their shares. They hire underwriter, and underwriter is a person who takes over the responsibility and helps the company in fulfilling the minimum subscription limit, right? And he says that if any group of share left unsold, then that person will take over those shares. That person is responsible to buy those shares. Thus the minimum subscription limit guideline of the SEBI can be fulfilled, and for this purpose company also pay underwriting commission to that underwriter. So because capital market is primarily related with the dealings in the stock, shares and bonds and all the company securities, thus underwriting becomes a primary function of capital market, whereas money market is for very short term duration, for the less than 1 year, and the underwriting in the money market is secondary function. Next base of difference comes of the middleman. Capital market works as a middleman between the investor and the entrepreneur, but money if we talk about the money market, then money market works as a middleman between the lender and the borrower. Opportunities. Capital market provides opportunities to investment institutions to raise funds from public, whereas money market provides opportunities to banks, business, individuals and all for making investment of their surplus funds for a short term duration. Thus, in the capital market, business enterprises can raise funds from public for long term duration, and from the money market, with the help of money market, business enterprises, banks, or any other individual can utilize their surplus funds for making investment for the short term duration, or can also borrow funds for the short term duration. Let's understand the next base of difference. This is physical location. Capital markets mostly have a physical locations, right? And the best example for this can be seen in the stock exchanges. Stock exchanges mean BSE, NSE, right? Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. These are in the physical form, right? A structured form. So capital market may have a physical location, whereas money market doesn't have a physical location. In the next page of difference, we have mentioned some of the examples. This is instruments of capital market. The instruments of capital markets are shares, debt or bonds, long term financing, etc., whereas the money market instruments are commercial papers, certificate of deposits, commercial bills, treasury bills, call money bills and all, which are used for the short term duration, less than 1 year. Thus in this way, the topic of today, difference between capital market and money market, gets complete. I hope this video will help to you. So keep practicing. Have a good day.